ignition. Here we go. Well, I'm finally back again with the Model A. And today, we're gonna see if the thing will start. Because I had the carburetor off, rebuilt it all, so there's no fuel in it right now. As you can see, we have to hook the line up because under the dash, grab the flashlight, open the door. You can see we put in a new fuel shutoff here. So we drained all the gas out of the gas tank, and right now it's at just between a half and a fourth. So we got that done. Carburetor rebuilt. So now let's hook that fuel line up and see if it starts, doesn't start, or blows up. That's our three choices. So I'll get back to you in a minute. So one quick thing before I finish getting into the video. This is the first time I've ever rebuilt a carburetor, all on my own. So that's why the choices were it's either going to blow up, not run, or run, because I don't exactly know. So we'll get it all hooked up, see what happens, and go from there. But I just want to make that clear. I've never done this before, so if it runs like a pile of junk, that's probably why. And other than that, subscribe, like, comment, everything. Tell me what I did wrong. Tell me what I did right, I guess. Let's hook this fuel line up and get to it. The fuel line is hooked up, so this will be the real test when we flip the switch. Here we go. You can hear it gurgling. Well, we'll check out here and see if we have any major leaks. Nothing yet. Guys, here we go. This will be the first test. We'll get everything set. I have another video I'll put on about explaining how to start the car, but to start with, we'll get the gas on again because I shut that off. This is our choke we'll use. Starter button on the floor. Ignition. Here we go. Look at that. It's running. Are we dead? We're not dead, are we? Camera? Nope. We're not dead yet. I shouldn't say that yet. We're not over with, but it started. Look at that. Hey, let's hop out. Better open the door before we do die from exhaust. Let's see if we have any major problems. I don't see any. Look at that, guys. I don't see any major problems. Minor problems don't matter, just majors. Well, you can let me know what you think, and thank you so much for watching this video. The car runs, didn't blow up, nothing yet, so let me know what you think, subscribe, like. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.